Yamaha does not have named riders on its various test bikes for timing, but Andrea Dovizioso looks to have done all of the M1 testing so far. Augusto Fernandez is also due to take part in the shakedown. The Yamaha race riders not expected to ride today due to this evening's team launch in KL. Takaaki Nakagami is the only Honda rider to have been out, joining the action at lunchtime and moving swiftly into second place and later briefly led the timing screens. Aside from Yamaha, the other times listed are the overall best for each rider, not the best time on each bike they rode. Rain spot sent all riders back to the pits at 2 p.m., but soon cleared. Drizzle returned later, but again cleared. Danny Pedrosa briefly brought out red flags due to a mechanical at turn 6, just before 5 p.m.